Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best kitchen scale to improve your cooking, baking, or meal prep? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best kitchen scales that deliver excellent accuracy, durability, and smart features. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or tech lover, these digital food scales will help you measure ingredients with confidence. Let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more product information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Greater Goods High Capacity Kitchen Scale. Taking the number 1 spot is the Greater Goods High Capacity Kitchen Scale, an excellent choice for anyone who regularly measures larger quantities of food. With its impressive high-capacity design, this scale is perfect for home bakers, meal preppers, and families preparing large recipes. It delivers precise measurements in multiple units, including grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms, making it versatile for almost any kitchen task. The large LCD display is bright and easy to read, while the spacious weighing platform easily accommodates mixing bowls and oversized containers. The Tare function allows you to subtract container weight instantly for accurate ingredient measurements every time. Its slim profile makes storage simple without sacrificing durability. The responsive touch controls and reliable sensors provide consistent performance that both beginners and experienced cooks can trust. If you're looking for a dependable, high-capacity kitchen scale with premium accuracy and excellent build quality, the Greater Goods model is a fantastic overall choice.
Product number 2. Nicewell Food Scale, 22-pound digital kitchen scale. Coming in at number 2 is the Nicewell Food Scale, 22-pound digital kitchen scale, designed for users who want style and performance in one package. Featuring a sleek tempered glass surface, this digital kitchen scale looks modern while remaining easy to clean after every use. It supports up to 22 pounds, making it suitable for baking, portion control, meal prep, and weighing larger ingredients. High-precision sensors ensure fast and accurate measurements, while the easy-to-read LCD display clearly shows weight in grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and kilograms. The Tare function makes measuring multiple ingredients effortless without dirtying extra bowls. Its slim design saves valuable counter space, and the touch-sensitive controls give it a premium feel. Whether you're following recipes, tracking macros, or preparing healthy meals, the Nicewell scale combines elegant design, dependable accuracy, and user-friendly operation, making it one of the best digital food scales available today.
Product number 3. Chaos Kitchen Scale. At number 3 is the Chaos Kitchen Scale, a compact yet highly capable digital food scale that's perfect for everyday kitchens. Equipped with precision sensors, it delivers accurate measurements that help improve cooking, baking, and nutrition tracking. The scale supports multiple units, allowing quick switching between grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces. Its stainless steel weighing platform is durable, hygienic, and easy to wipe clean after use. The bright LCD display ensures excellent visibility, while the responsive buttons make operation straightforward for users of all experience levels. Thanks to its lightweight design, storing the scale in a drawer or cabinet is effortless. The convenient Tare function simplifies measuring multiple ingredients in one bowl, saving both time and cleanup. Whether you're counting calories, preparing coffee, baking desserts, or following detailed recipes, the Chaos Kitchen Scale provides dependable performance at an affordable price, making it an outstanding value.
Product number 4. Tare Glasstop Food Scale. The Tare Glasstop Food Scale earns the 4th spot with its trusted brand reputation and stylish appearance. Featuring a tempered glass weighing surface, this scale is easy to maintain while adding a modern touch to any kitchen. Precision sensors deliver reliable measurements for baking, cooking, meal prep, and portion control. The scale offers multiple measurement units, making it simple to follow recipes from around the world. A large digital display provides clear readings, while the Tare function lets you reset the weight between ingredients for greater convenience. The slim profile allows for compact storage without taking up valuable kitchen space. Its intuitive controls make daily use effortless, whether you're preparing healthy meals or experimenting with new recipes. Combining dependable performance, elegant design, and straightforward functionality, the Taylor glass-top food scale remains a solid option for home cooks who want consistent accuracy at an affordable price.
Product number 5. KitchenAid KQ909 Dual Platform Kitchen Scale. At number 5 is the KitchenAid KQ909 Dual Platform Kitchen Scale, an innovative option designed for users who need maximum flexibility. Its standout feature is the dual platform system, allowing you to weigh larger ingredients on one platform while measuring smaller quantities like spices or coffee on the second platform simultaneously. This unique capability makes it especially valuable for serious bakers and precision cooking enthusiasts. High-quality sensors ensure excellent accuracy across both platforms, while separate displays provide easy-to-read measurements. The durable construction reflects KitchenAid's reputation for premium kitchen tools, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Multiple measurement units and convenient tare functions make complex recipes much easier to manage. Whether you're preparing artisan bread, specialty coffee, or detailed baking recipes, this scale helps improve efficiency and precision. If you appreciate advanced functionality and professional-level performance, the KitchenAid KQ909 is one of the most versatile kitchen scales you can buy.
Product number 6. eTech City Food Kitchen Scale. Rounding out our list is the eTech City Food Kitchen Scale, one of the most popular digital kitchen scales trusted by millions of home cooks and fitness enthusiasts. Its compact design fits comfortably on almost any countertop, while providing exceptional measuring accuracy for cooking, baking, meal prep, and calorie tracking. Equipped with high-precision sensors, it quickly delivers reliable weight readings in grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces. The stainless steel platform is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to everyday wear. A bright backlit LCD display makes measurements easy to read, even in lower lighting conditions. The simple tare function allows effortless weighing of multiple ingredients in one container. Its lightweight construction also makes storage convenient when not in use. Combining affordability, reliability, and user-friendly features, the eTech City Food Kitchen Scale remains one of the best value choices for anyone seeking dependable everyday kitchen performance. Thanks for watching my countdown of the top 6 best kitchen scales. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and check the links in the description for today's best deals and prices.